Now let's look at this JAMB past question for Physics 2018. Question number 4. Natural radioactivity consists of the emission of A. Alpha particles and beta rays, B. Alpha particles and X-rays, C. Alpha particles, beta and gamma rays, D. Y rays and X-rays. Now, for us to understand this very well, we need to know the definition of natural radioactivity, and we'll have that natural radioactivity is the spontaneous disintegration. Natural radioactivity is the spontaneous disintegration or splitting. You can call it disintegration or you can call it splitting. Splitting up or breaking down. You can also call it breaking down of the nucleus of a radioactive atom with the emission of alpha particles, beta particles or rays, and gamma radiation. With a great deal of energy. With a great deal of energy when such a radioactive atom is exposed to the atmosphere or buried in the ground. So that is what natural radioactivity is. The spontaneous disintegration, that's the breakdown of radioactive atoms like radium and like uranium and all the rest of them, with the emission of alpha, beta and gamma rays. So if you look at this, you see that number C has alpha, beta, this is gamma rays, but it's represented here with G, but this is actually gamma rays. So that makes C the option that has the complete specification of all the particles that are emitted, alpha, beta and gamma rays. Those are the things that are given out or emitted. Those are the emissions during natural radioactivity, which is the spontaneous decay or spontaneous disintegration of the nucleus of a radioactive atom. So C is the right answer, and this is the complete definition of natural radioactivity. Thank you.